Either way, though, that south wind is what's helping that temperature climb to about 69 degrees around 1, 72 degrees around 3, and that'll be the high today. It'll happen between 3 and 4 this afternoon. 70 degrees by around 5 in this evening into the mid 60s, which is still considered warmer than the average daytime high temperature for this time of the year. Normal for this time of the year is 61. 73 is the high in Fort Worth today, 72 for Denton, McKinney, and in Dallas. I'm expecting the 70s to stick around at least for another day. That cold front comes in Friday afternoon. That's when temperatures eventually drop Friday night into Saturday. Saturday, the high 48 degrees. It's going to be a rather chilly day, 58 on Sunday. Temperatures right back into the 70s as we approach the middle part of next week. So winter still letting us know it's very much here, especially when we're talking about morning temperatures. So tonight, the low 58. That's pretty mild considering it's mid-February, but this weekend the morning low on Saturday will be 36, 32 on Sunday. That is right at freezing. Some spots north of DFW could very well see temperatures in the low 30s, upper 20s. I'm not expecting a hard freeze, and if we see that freeze, it's not going to last for very long on Sunday. Temperatures right back into the 40s for the following mornings early next week. Here's what it looks like, though. We have a lot of moisture streaming in from the Pacific. The cloud cover anywhere from South Texas, Southwest Texas, all the way into North Texas. It's the reason why we're going to see this cloud cover sticking around for a while. It's because we have a southwest wind that's helping usher in this cloud cover across the area. Expected throughout the day today and throughout tonight. I'm going to take you to Friday at 7 in the morning. That's when that front starts to make its way into areas of far northwest North Texas. That front eventually does make it into the Metroplex. I'm thinking in the afternoon. This is Friday around noon. Look at the cloud cover. Still no rain. Let me take you now to about 4, 5 in the afternoon. That's when I'm expecting that front to arrive. The winds are going to pick up a little bit, but it's looking really dry. This front will have the potential to provide for some showers to the southeast, but the closer we get to it, the more it's looking like it's really going to remain dry for most of the area, with the exception of maybe an isolated shower. High pressure sinks in after that, and that's what allows temperatures to really take a dive into the 30s. As far as how much rain we're going to see, it won't be much if you see it. Less than 1/10 of an inch, mainly for our eastern counties. Otherwise, most of us completely dry, at least through middle part of next week. So again, only about 10% coverage of rain. I've dropped that number here. This is only going to be for our eastern and southeastern counties. It'll be breezy on Friday, but still warm. Those temperatures take a nosedive over the weekend, and it warms up next week. In fact, middle part of next week, some of us are going to be approaching 80 degrees.